Ja, be ona si vinga ma whaftai tatuari. Ona o tamu nei, tai au i le manuia. O le tūlanga lava whai unga lewa whai a le whakasimo o ina. O whale o ngā i le tautonga le na whaatino la lo whale i ona i le hawa ai i le au manu. Ai le wakolo ai i le whakasimo la maunga i whaatino loa i le palemengi, i le whonutanga palemengi, i le fitu aso me le aso nei. Ai a whapea e whalawelawe sesi, pe e le mawhai o na whaatino o tūlanga lea, moe na tō e furi la ia i le whakasingo na mauruna e tō e ilo ilo. I se tūlanga la e whamaunia la le tūlanga whale tūlanga whono e tali alo ia i le tautonga lana whale ia. O le whasiri o ko o se whai unga le lei o lo tali o se whai unga le lei. Ona no pau lava le mea na whina alo ia i le whionga ia whia mea ko le whale mea fwoi lea. E whaatino o pāmini. Ia le ua whaa tonu le whamasingonga wama e whaatino o tūlanga lea. Ai o le tūlanga e siri ona le lei ma whia i le mamalu fwoi a le fast ma le mamalu fwoi a la tōna usui. O le mea tonu ma le na whina ngalo iai. Ai le whai una whaatino le ua iei le polo e ngā whamasingonga wama whaatino o tūlanga lea. I le fitu aso nei nei, le aso nei, ai ale ai, la tō e fwoi le whamasingonga wama e tō e ilo pe te taura o na whaanga le tautunga le ngā whaipari i. Ona o le usta ia i le
Pamula, the immunity status of the head of state, unless he can be charged contempt of court. How does that work?
No, they said nothing about that.
Okay.
Inga is everybody that needs to do what they need to do to make sure that Parliament is convened in the next 7 days. And if they don't do that, the court will then look at the Gokona under the tent and the validity of that on the basis of the doctrine of necessity. And if there are people that obstruct that process from taking place, then there are provisions under the standing orders and under the law, and especially contempt of Parliament, that they will be subject to. The head of state has civil and criminal immunity from all suit.
I tono situaso le polo inga whamanunga le e au ona toi whakautor e HRPP male.
Aule palemene with the head of state present in Parliament House whaatino le tūhanga māsangi for the first session of Parliament, and that includes who has the majority. They will be sworn as Prime Minister, ministers will be sworn, the Speaker will be sworn, and everybody will be sworn in.
Congratulations.